Today we are looking at this compact 14.5-inch bar monitor, designed to act as a secondary display for custom PC builds or specialized workstations. Because of the limited data currently available, it is essential to approach this one with care. Check the link in the description for the best price. Here is how this display manages standard tasks and daily use scenarios. Daily performance is hard to gauge because there is not enough evidence to confirm if the panel holds up under. While the refresh rate is noted in the specs, we cannot confirm how it handles fast-paced gaming without seeing the. Integrating this into a professional productivity workflow is risky until we know for sure how well it plays with standard. The display capabilities are currently difficult to quantify, making it challenging to predict how it will. We looked at the cost against the features offered by this kit. The technical specifications look promising, but the price is high considering the uncertainty surrounding the actual quality of the included. Brand reliability is a major question mark here, as there is very little history to rely on if something goes. Comparing this to established competitors is challenging when the main trade-off is the build quality or the long-term support. The overall value proposition is currently unclear, as the premium cost requires more proof of build. Important considerations before you finalize your decision to purchase. The actual quality of the aluminum shell and internal display hardware remains a bit of a mystery, which increases the. Securing technical help or honoring a warranty could be a difficult process given the limited information about the brand's support. There is a moderate risk that the device may not play nicely with all hardware configurations, especially since driver support. The main risks involve potential compatibility issues and the absence of clear support paths, which is. Ultimately, this monitor is a specialized piece of hardware that currently lacks the track record needed for a confident recommendation. Without verified reliability or a well-known support system, it remains a gamble for most users. We suggest waiting for more community feedback or exploring established brands before integrating this into your primary workstation or creative project.